Check out this Toyota 2015 Corolla S. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include rear-view camera, rear-view monitor and dash, steering wheel mounted controls, voice recognition controls, stability control, security anti-theft alarm system, multi-function display, phone wireless data link Bluetooth, crumple zones front and crumple zones rear. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.